is advice. So, Dr. Kwame, knowing what you know now and the journey that you have been on for these multiple cycles, for multiple reasons, doing this process, knowing what you know now, give us three pieces of advice for those that are listening and watching that have a dream and an aspiration to become a board certified orthodontist.
So, I mean, for me, I think I can never talk about, I think I said it in the beginning, I can never talk about my desires or purpose or how I go about doing things without mentioning my own faith. And so this might not be everybody's experience. It might not be most people's experiences. But for me as a Christian, grounding myself in my faith is what allows me to persevere through times that are difficult. That's first and foremost. And then secondly, and tertiary, there has to be, you need a community. I think community is very important. If you show me your community, I can show you the likelihood of your success. And I don't mean just those who are in proximity with you. I mean those that you spend your time with, whether on the phone, whether it be your colleagues, so on and so forth. Who do you spend your time talking to? Because I spend my time talking to people who like to win. You know what I mean? I talk to people who like to win. And beyond liking to win, they know what it means to lose and to learn from it. And I think that's the last part, right? Perseverance. You need to persevere. So I've found a lot of people who have made maybe better decisions than I have, or maybe had stronger, from a paper perspective, or however you'd like to look at it, maybe a stronger application coming from undergrad to dental school or so on and so forth. But they didn't end up getting the opportunities that I received. And I think all the three of the things that I mentioned were the deciding factors that decided whether I was going to be here rather than this other person. So my faith, my community, and my perseverance. And so those are the three things that I can advise anyone who's going into or seeking entrance into residency, seeking entrance into anything purposeful that they're trying to achieve in their life, is to ground themselves in those things.
That's phenomenal, man. Especially that perseverance piece. Because like we said, life be lifing, and it does not care whether you're prepared, not prepared, whether you're number one in your class or number 21 in the class. If you got a GPA, if you got ortho experience, if you don't, does not care. So you always have to stay grounded, like in those three things that you mentioned, and surround yourself in that community, and also know that, you know, no just means no right now. It don't mean no forever.
That's literally what you always used to say. No means no right now.
Right.
No, talk about it, bro. Get you a Dr. Hayes. That's what you need. That's what you need. That's one of the main components. If you don't have that, just call it quits.
Yep. We've been saying that for 7-8 years now, right?
Yeah.
No just means no right now.
You remember Howard told me no, and then I was like, wait, why? And they're like, all right, fine.
Right. No just means no right now. Doesn't mean no forever. And that means that those that are listening and watching and want to become a board certified orthodontist, it's going to be a process. You're going to have to persevere. You're going to have to be in a community that where you're surrounding yourself with individuals that are doing the things that you want to do, but also that can help you, right? And then also be grounded in something, faith, or something similar that allows you to understand the importance that, you know, there's situations and things bigger and more powerful than just you, right? And what's for you will be for you, and you'll get it when it's supposed to happen. But you still got to persevere, right? You still got to persevere. And for those of you that have been listening and watching, thank you for persevering with us through this very, very important journey shared by Dr. Kwame. Your next assignment is go to the next video. Go to the next video right now. Go. Love, peace, and smiles. Go to the next video. Go to the next video.